Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is grade 2, chapter 6, drawing in paint. In our previous lecture, we covered different tools in paint like curve tool, shapes group, polygon tool, eraser tool and fill with color tool. Today we are going to start text tool. The text tool is actually used to write and to type text on the paint window. And the steps are, in the tools group, here is a text tool where A is written. This is the text tool. Just click this tool and click and drag on the screen. A cursor is blinking over here. You guys can simply start typing over here. Now you can see our text tab is highlighted along with this tool, and this tab is actually having the different options, different tools regarding the text. For example, this is for text styling, this is for text sizing, and this color palette is actually for the coloring of text. Like I'm going to choose this color, and now right, your text color will be changed. This is text size. And this is for text styling. You can choose different styling from here. Okay, the next one is select tool. And the select tool is actually used to select some part or the whole part on the drawing canvas. For example, I'm going to draw some shapes on the screen. And in images group, there is a select tool. When you have to click on the down arrow, you can see different options over here. The first one is rectangular selection. The rectangular selection is actually a square or rectangular selection on the screen, like this. This portion is selected now. Like this portion is selected now. Okay, and the next one is free form selection. This is like free from drawing, like this. So now this portion is selected. Like this. Now this portion is selected. This is the free form selection. Now the next one is select all. To select the whole picture, to select the whole drawing. Now the next one is invert selection. The invert selection is actually used to select everything in the picture except for the currently selected area. Just look at the step. For example, first I'm going to select this shape. And now if I'm going to select the invert selection, now what will happen? Only other two pictures will be selected in the invert selection option. These two pictures only. The first one is not the part of the selection because I currently selected that picture. And to delete the selected object, we just have to select the object and click delete. Our picture will be deleted from the screen. Okay, the next one is magnify tool. The magnify tool is actually used to magnify something on the screen to zoom in our part, different part on the screen. Like in tools group, there is a magnify tool. Just click and you can see a magnifier icon on the screen, and by clicking the specific part, the picture will be zoomed in or magnified, and you can see the percentage over here. It's about 200, now 300. So we can change the zoom in and zoom out level of our picture by the zoom slider as well. Now the next one is color picker tool. The color picker tool is actually used to set the current foreground or background colors, because in our computer, in our paint panel color palette, we have two colors, color 1 and color 2. Color 1 is actually for the foreground color and color 2 is for the background color. So in tools group, here is a color picker tool. Simply click this tool and I am going to pick any color for the foreground color by clicking the left mouse button. Here I'm going to pick the black color. Now you can see the color 1 is actually changed by the black color, because I picked black color from my drawing for the foreground color, and simply now I can fill this color. Now the second one is background color, and I'm going to pick the red color for my background color. So I will right click on the color like this, and you can see the color 2 is changed by the red color now. Okay guys, on page number 64, there is an activity for you. The steps are given. You guys have to make this drawing as it is given in your book by following these steps in your paint software, and hopefully it's very clear to you. Now your paint software, MS Paint chapter 6 is done. Next time we will start our exercise. Guys, please subscribe our YouTube channel, The Broadway School, to get next videos. Thank you so much.